Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Shopify store currency. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and log in your account, and then just you click here settings, and then click general, and then just scroll down. You will see here store currency. I have it here in Vietnamese dong. If you want to change it, just click here and you can change any currency. Okay, for example, if I choose US dollar and then just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to change Shopify store currency. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.